In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, click on one of your apps to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and click on floating window in the pop-up. Now to use your app, tap on this tiny window. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners, pick a perfect size and let go. If you wish to turn your window into a bubble, click on Home button and swipe tiny version of your window to the side. To access it, click on this line. Then click on the tiny window again. Lastly, to use your app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. To close your window completely, select top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!